Alright, y'all, we back with another YouTube video. Right now, about to go sell one of the white jackets. And today, gonna be a little, I don't know, today my first time ever going to a little car meet, so we about to see what this, you feel me? What it's hitting like. Just thought the vlog today. You feel me? I may get y'all some little content. I don't know what I'm really gonna be. Hopefully it was a good time, you feel me? I'm about to go to drop a jacket off, and then go back to storage, get a few more stuff out of inventory just in case, you feel me? I want to sell something out there, you know? Set up shop out there, you feel me? But yeah, so we're gonna vlog that. People can't drive, I swear to God, bro. Like, fucking go, bitch. But yeah, finna do that. So yeah, we about to go to the car meet, start at 6. So I'm about to go to my man's crib, Nino. You feel me? He's the one that's like, yeah, I'm following out there. And I think Chris is supposed to be out there. If you don't know Chris, he's another content creator. You feel me? So that should be cool. Should be a good vibe, you know. Doing some content and you know, just trying to get the brand out there. You feel me? And it's in the city, so you feel me? Why not? But so we're gonna do that. And you know, I'm gonna sell this jacket. Feel me? And I'm gonna get back to y'all when I make it to what we call him, Bill. You be billing. But when I get to Bill crib, feel me? Y'all already met him before, you feel me? If you looked at my previous video, we were at this little smoke shop. You feel me? Y'all met him. But yeah, so I'm gonna get back to y'all because I wanna preserve this battery as much as I can. But yeah, we'll get back to y'all when I get over there. Feel me? To do a little vlog in there, and then probably head up there around like 5 because it start at 6. And, you know, we're gonna see what the vibes is, you feel me? But, you know, till then, you feel me? Be right back. Alright, y'all, made it to my boy Nino crib.
You the only one sliding. Niggas is so Pizzle, Suedo, Busy, Brooks. Y'all some hoes.
Sit down, bro.
What kind of camera is that? That's dope.
Canon EOS R50.
Oh yeah.
We're Chris. He bullshitted.
Old.
Damn.
So like he said he had a favor to do for somebody. He gonna try to slide later. But you blacked this out?
No. It's already dug out.
RS. There.
Special edition.
RS. You about to blend right in. You got a fucking bro. I did not know you had this.
What is
I'm
that?
not even being gay,
What
bro.
is
It's a brake light. When you brake, that come on. We waiting on waterbed and we waiting on
They told me my shit. I ain't passed inspection.
Bro, you about to see so many cars that don't got no stickers on them, bro. What you mean, your brakes?
No, they say my back tire's too bald.
Bitches is bald, gang.
I know.
I mean, they not too bald, but they go.
They could have passed me.
Yeah. Where'd you go?
Look at my fucking tires.
Chevy. Oh.
I think yours are bald. Look at my front ones.
They told me I couldn't pass my inspection, guys.
They're racist then.
Yours ain't that bad though.
No,
Mine's worse.
Outside the front.
Oh yeah, your shit bald. That's how my front ones was, bro.
I got front wheel drive.
Oh, I see. Yeah, that's why. That's why your shit's like that. Too.
Make sure you say hi to Sona, nigga.
Where she at? What's up, Sona? Y'all about to make me get some. I told her my next car gonna be a 01.
Hey, look, bro. Tell you now, I don't know if it's gonna be popping or if it's gonna be lame. The last time they went, that shit was smacking and I ain't go. I'm going this time.
Nah, it's
I ain't gonna lie.
probably got that fin bot.
Wait till you hear Jalen truck, bro.
What he got?
First of all, he got a fat ass Trump sticker on it. Second of all,
A
it's
Trump sticker.
crazy. It sound crazy.
What he got?
It be
What's in
sneaky.
it?
He got a truck, but he got that bitch boosted up. You know, inside these hoe ass niggas, bro.
What? Oh, no. But I'm gonna get back to y'all when we make it to the little meet. Feel me? Is this Lou? Is that Lou? He nasty. But yeah, I'm gonna get back to y'all when we, you know what I mean, when we dip.
Got that rare.
Alright, y'all, a little pit stop. Feel me? We at right now we waiting for them to they all y'all can't see them. They all washing their whips right now. Feel me? I ain't washing my whip because it's like it's gonna rain and shit anyway. So, but no, right now, bro went in there. He went Popeyes real quick. I'm just chilling, waiting for them to get done washing their whips. So we gonna go one stop away from the car meet. So, you know what I mean? We gonna do that. You know, get some content for y'all. See who there. Hopefully it's smacking. Get some good content for y'all. You feel me? Then also, you know, I got the box with me. I got the clothes. You feel me? So we definitely trying. You know what I mean? Like I said, do better content. And bro, he been going to these meets, so that's my first time. So hopefully it's a good first experience. You feel me? But just trying, you know what I mean? What I say, man, we trying to get rich, man. Trying to get rich off this. And the clothes, you feel me? I got the whole, you know what I mean? I ride the brand everywhere I go, you feel me? But, about to say to y'all, but definitely going to tap in with y'all in like 20 minutes or so. When we pull up and get there, see what it's looking like. So, you feel me? Just had to get y'all a little update, but see you in a little bit. Alright, y'all, we made it to a little meet. Hop out. See, it made me want to get some good shit, cause like, I got a fucking Malibu. Now I want a fucking cat or a Mero or something.
I called it and told him to slide. That's how I parked behind. Come on, park over there. The whole city's in the background over there for the picture.
Is that Cam?
You see the Rebros he got up front?
The what?
Bro.
He don't want none of that.
That shit is smoke your shit, nigga.
You hear it? What the fuck? Ain't nobody break. My weed hands sweaty as hell. Hell no, that shit sound crazy.
Why your shit sound like that?
Cause my door open.
That shit don't go off?
Who's stranger? He just pulled up and then immediately walking down. I thought he was down. You got how much tree you got on you?
The dealer. The Q50er. Oh, look at my shit.
Jalen truck sound crazy.
Doing it?
There's hella whips up here.
How you about to, roll-ups?
That's what we did today. Other way, you could have gone up. Big tires, lifted. I'll have a Raptor do that. Jack that bitch up. I did it
We was vlogging and shit. We out here at house. We out here at motherfucking house fishing chicken.
got my practice.
You got the phone.
Hey, why you getting up in that mirror like that, dude?
Yeah,
He's getting wild.
Blue.
Donna fucking straight up. I wanted her to hit the right. She kept going straight up.
Is that Tracy?
You just ate, nigga.
The last 6 wings ain't shit.
Oh, you gonna let me know what they got?
Yeah. Go take your car over by my car. I'm telling you, it's better view over there. The whole city's right there.
You don't got.
I'm telling you. Get your background shots.
No, for sure.
Where you parking at?
He literally pulled in to the right as soon as he, you know what I mean, pulled in.
You didn't see it?
Yo, I seen you.
You didn't see it. It's right ass.
Bad influence saw us. He said he's gonna come out.
Wait, what do you mean he saw us?
He saw us riding. He called me. He said, yo, where y'all going?
Yo, he got an SRT 300. That shit's nice.
What? Him?
But yeah, dude.
I was with him last night. That's what you need.
Who got this? Who got the fastest shit smoking on here?
You don't really be
that
seeing
AMG crazy.
that much.
That's the
That's
fastest
a
shit
Hellcat right
smoking.
there. Yeah.
That's the fastest shit smoking on here? Huh?
Huh?
That's the fastest shit smoking on here?
That shit fast. It ain't the fastest shit. The fastest shit is that BMW right there.
That shit hard.
You hear me?
Huh?
The fastest shit is that BMW right there. That shit is booted up, dude. That's my man Dino's shit. That shit is booted like probably at least like 600.
Lean that SRT.
Damn, I
Bro,
They got
don't even-
$30 all-you-can-eat wings and alcohol.
where in there?
Thank you.
For sure.
That guy looked like the owner.
That's the guy who pulled up in the I would assume. That's what I say. Yeah, that's Al. Al's son.
Al's nephew.
It's his cousin.
Definitely his fucking cousin.
Different front facing. It's the original.
I heard this place is like fishing on prices.
Is it? Underrated. That nigga, fucking Lou ain't waste no fucking time. Nigga just ate fucking Popeyes. Nigga, you just fucking ate, you fat ass.
Basically like how the M.
What is that?
That carrot cake with
This-
the icing. Y'all know nothing about
A lot
this.
of people don't eat carrot cake.
You gotta open up your palate.
Yeah. He said the culture, nigga. Carrot cake, that's vegetable cake.
You gotta go get you some.
Hell no. I got that. I'm cool with that Popeye.
They got some double chocolate in there too. That shit like fire.
See, I ain't a big chocolate person.
Fuck you, eat vanilla cake, nigga.
I do.
No icing, just straight yellow cake.
No, I eat icing. I just don't eat. I don't eat chocolate, bro. I'm gonna get back to y'all in a little bit, man.
How long y'all been here?
How about you take care of the you take the camera. You better get used to it. Tell them, y'all. You guys don't get used to this vlogging shit. Cause you can only vlog for real.
You gotta come out a lot more though, cause it do be days where this shit be smacking, like it be like everybody be outside.
You feel me?
I wanna pump my hood.
Pop it.
Am I weird if I pop my hood?
Nah, Brody popped it. Fuck wrong with him? Tell her, pop your fucking hood. You got the new black girl, nigga. You miss your glow sign?
I got it on.
Oh, it glow? You should have put that bitch on. This shit look like a goddamn.
All this squiggly.
Why is this shit rainbow? You did that? You made it like
It
that?
does look like a hosh posh of fucking
LG TV. That shit hot though.
All down. You heard what bro said.
You should go for me.
Facts.
I bought a set of them. I don't want it like some crazy camera issues, so I didn't
Yo, what's up, bro?
Why are you only having crazy
Tell him, bro.
I bought it. I didn't. I need to find out a single tire. Yeah, so a little bit. I bought one, the very last one. I bought monsters and this bullshit. So have two of them.
What's up, your BMW up?
That shit's slow. It looked clean, it looked good. Slow.
Definitely was. You pushing that hoe though through the.
It's quick. It's
through the lane.
It's only like 250 horse. It's a little horse. It's little as hell.
We in the fucking 50, nigga. We in the fucking Q50, nigga.
Type shit.
Feel me? It's cold as shit out here. It ain't too, you feel me? It's on some calm shit, man.
Ew, what the fuck?
What?
Bro, you see this big ass pothole right here?
Damn, this shit big as fuck.
Huh? I ain't parked.
Your car little though, you can finesse that, dude.
Oh, that shit ugly. Can I make that? Can I get around that?
Yes. If you got whip skill.
That shit disgusting.
And you know, Brody got the drone out this bitch. I don't know if y'all can see. He got the drone out this joint. Oh, y'all can't even see. I'll show y'all when I get out. Boom! Got scared as fuck.
Chill.
There you go, pop back out, man. What the hell, where'd he go? Y'all can't even see the drone in the air for real. You gotta wait till he come back down.
Oh yeah,
That shit go far as hell.
that's not even half of it.
See Brody on the drone.
Yeah, dude, this spot is ass. Look at this fucking corner.
Bro, that shit looks fire, bro. What are you talking about?
Quit, you know you could have parked right here.
Huh?
You could have parked right here on the sidewalk.
I'm about to.
Oh, the light turned on.
If I park on the sidewalk.
Y'all see the joint? Bro got that little. That shit look hard with the black grill, huh? Oh. See, bro got the, you feel me? Huh? Bro, just move it right here on the sidewalk. You being nasty. Oh, let me get out of your shot. Let me get out here, man.
Park on the sidewalk.
That's what I just told him. Hey Nick, I might need you to get me like 2 vids with the merch. So hold this. Ah, damn. You know what? You know what I need you to do? I'm gonna need you to take a video of me. Alright. Hold on, I gotta set this boy up real quick. Feel me? Y'all can get the, you feel me, full effect. Right here. Take this bit of me.
Huh?
Here, you put that right here.
Hold on.
Hurry up.
Hold on. Let's come through. Yeah, look at the gun. Yep. Hurry up, go with.
need a video on your whip and his. That shit gonna be hard.
What, driving?
No. Hurry up and get your angles. Like, I'm trying to get mine. The niece, this nigga. I'm trying to get his. Yeah, we out here. Little car meet. Feel me? Right there. Oh my goodness, bro. I hate niggas, bro. Like, get me right. Hurt. Niggas be selfish, y'all.
Am I doing?
No, I just on my phone, just taking a video while I'm first stay right here. They get closer and then just get the first. They just come closer and they get the Just keep looking out where I'm walking up.
I'm taking different videos. Like, I got a lot of different videos, extra stuff. But I got you watching on.
I'll find
You want to pull closer? Pull the side?
Hurry up, bro. This nigga's fucking up my shot, man.
I got some good videos of you already.
Say that.
Like,
You do
while he
joint.
was getting you, like, you can mix it.
All right, bet. Say that. Good luck. John? Nick? You hear me?
Why ain't you telling him no burnout, dude?
He ain't paying attention.
I didn't tell him. I told him park. The video I got you doing it, though. That's the best part. Is when you don't get in trouble for doing it.
Huh?
It's no flat out.
Oh, I didn't know.
That's why. I said-
That's why we heard if it called you off.
Oh, okay. I'm about to rule my motherfucker. Shit, I need some tires on that motherfucker now.
Look at this shit.
Damn, that shit look hard. Wait, y'all, you got it. That shit looks crazy. Crazy. I know you fucking love that shit, bro.
I didn't even know it recorded. I was just watching the
That shit hard though, I ain't gonna lie.
That's probably good too. It's crazy.
You know, real, you know what I mean?
But like,
You don't really do content if you ain't got the drone, nigga.
If I lock on, I can't even get the shots I normally get. Look.
That shit hard. That shit so clear though. That's what makes it so crazy. Like it's so fucking clear. Oh my goodness. Made me want to get one of these bitches done. Bro. You said what? How long your battery be lasting?
It's like got 30 minutes left.
Alright, I'm about to
Okay.
go grab some food real quick.
From where? It's probably for his girl though. Now that video he got with y'all trucking it, that shit look hard. That color hard, that blue. I fuck with that blue. I was supposed to get a blue fucking one of those. That bitch sold as soon as I got there. The day before it sold. I was sick. Shit, man. We're gonna tap in y'all when it get a little darker. Huh?
I said, I be trying.
I ain't even got that shit.
Chilled out. He ain't even
True story. That's
slide for real, bro. He
yeah, I
slid
think
that
niggas
hoe, though.
think
He slid
niggas
that hoe,
slid
though.
that. Yeah, I think niggas probably ain't trying to slide because you feel me, the tires, nigga. Niggas had to get. You know them specials came. Niggas had them tires.
Yeah.
Oh, bro.
They do be smacking, bro. Like, it's definitely heads out. It's definitely more than like 20 heads out here.
I just told bro. Pop off.
Ooh.
My boy Bussy.
Keep the rain
When you paint them?
I painted them whenever I get them brakes.
For real?
Yeah. This is the Z23 package. Yeah, they ain't bad.
What you did?
Calibers drag.
You got me? You got this? What? Jack. That big Gucci.
Nigga, that's
That big Gucci, cuz. Yeah.
I mean, he just, I mean, about to start sliding these joints. Yeah.
Fuck out of here, bruh.
Y'all just put the shit in the back.
Now we just put that shit in the back.
I'm not saying, like,
but I'm
just
like, yo,
y'all.
be equipped, yo. You know niggas be having a gap.
I'm not saying y'all niggas. I'm saying niggas.
No, I know what you mean, niggas. Watch out, bro, because they don't got their headlights
You
on.
talk about the one that changes color. They're like
brown, white, yeah.
brownish, yeah, nah, it's just black.
But yeah,
I don't like niggas pulling up with no headlights on. Yeah, yeah, you fucking naked boy.
Cause I was looking down, I'm like, what? This bitch supposed to be up.
Swear, that shit be crazy.
Damn, that shit stank.
What?
That rubber.
Ooh, that rubber. You can finally, you can smell it now. Damn, ain't nobody outside for real. dude, the fin was outside though. The one dude was the fin shooter down.
Oh, he was
He was at the. I didn't see him though.
yeah. I was
Oh my god.
Niggas is not been. Better not. Damn. Oh, fucked up. He is getting crazy on bro. He is getting crazy. True story.
I was about to bring my bike up, but it's cold as.
Yeah, it is cold
my
outside.
Flying on the bike on the way up there.
Bro.
They was flying. They put him next to me. He looked back. I'm like, I'm flashing my lights like, go, bro. I'm letting you go. Like, go ahead. It's fun.
Shit stink.
Yeah, I was just saying that shit earlier. But you know, I'm about to come up with shit today. I ain't even see the carbon fiber thing.
They definitely out here bidding.
You got slides off the back.
Yeah, man, we out here.
Is that that white Hellcat?
Hey, I got
That's just the
some.
beginning of it, brother.
I think it's the 4-liter M157. Yeah, that's a
AMG. I thought so. Huh? I know that's what is it? C63
He done better than that, though.
AMG. Huh?
I said, for real? Chill out,
Yeah.
man. Chill out. I plug these ass. You ever ride in one of them motherfuckers? Yeah, the seats and shit been moving. You know what I'm saying? Need to do a brake stand. Put that bitch in full plus is what he did. Put that bitch in sport plus. Cause he ain't on the throttle, like he ain't stepping, like he ain't like on it like this. No, I ain't good. You know, if I was in a Hemi or something, it'd be cool.
He's chilling.
That's you. Where? I just when you bring him, bro. I don't know. You?
Oh no.
They ain't trying.
She
They ain't trying to waste that money for them tires.
Hell
did.
no.
must have got that different stall because he was talking about getting that different.
Oh, bro. That was definitely been in that bitch though. Yeah. Yeah, I was close as shit. Oh,
That just had my Tapped her.
I don't think he tapped her, bro. She said, "What did I do to you?" I'd be like, shut up, I ain't even touch it. Oh, bro. Well, guys, you know, it's time to go. Oh, bro.
He's just snapping because he almost lost the Why are you backing up?
Cause he wanna be like wild. Cause she just snapped on him for real.
He's snapping because he didn't have it for him. It's a Mustang, bro. You better slide that shit that way. You don't be bringing that Mustang shit over here. I don't know,
He don't know how to do that, bitch.
He does not got the.
Alright, y'all. Feel me? It was a little cool little day. But we finna dip. Finna go to the crib because I got work in the morning. But no, it was definitely cool. They was going somewhere to go. You feel me? It was gonna be more lit, but I got work and I ain't trying to be out. You feel me? Too late. So, you feel me? Like, comment, subscribe, and you feel me? See y'all in the next video.